learn about the what is the types of data and all of these kind of things. So here you can able to see that after uploading my last lecture about the input, I didn't able to upload all those kind of things. So today we are going to learn about what is data and all of those kind of things. So data is something that is stored as a values in variables. So this we had earlier study about that this is a name that we call the variable. We can take anything. This is the equal to operator that we use, and this is the thing that we use as a data. So this thing is the data. This is a data 18 and 3.14 is a data. So data are in many of the forms. Like if we can able to see here, like if I enter here, okay, and you can able to see like data are we can able to have numbers as a data, name as a data, float value means the values that are in point, decimal point, example 3.14 and all those kind of things. And we have a string as a data. String, what is a string? So a string is a combination of word and letter. Example, let's take DevOps 123. So it is a combination of string and letter. And whenever we write string, we always make that thing into our uh, double quote. Okay, this is the thing. Now we are going to learn about that. If we get to know these are the types of data, example numbers, name, and all of those kind of thing, and we are going to store those types of data into our name. Then we are going to learn here about that how we can able to get to know what is the type of data, this type of data. Example, like we are a student, okay, and we had seen some of the types of data, and we don't able to know, we don't know that what we call this type of the data. So for that, what we are going to do that we are going to use the print function. What we are going to use here, if you can go to see, we can able to print here print function. Example, I take here with this, and we are going to use a print function. So what print function do? That print function mean what is to print the data, whatever the thing we have. So what we take, we want to print example name. Okay, but here is the thing. Just we wanted to print the data name there. No. What is our main type? Our main type to find to get to know any of this kind of thing is that what is the type of data. So what we are going to use here, we are going to type wanted to get to know what is the type. So we are going to use their type word keyword, and we put this variable into this thing. So if you can able to see here, there is a name Arvin that I have saved here, and you could see that I use the print function in the starting for printing the type of data. Okay, like the same way I explained here, and at inside you can see I have a variable, but I don't want to print that variable. My main aim is to print the type of that variable. That's why I take this function. Example, I remove this, okay, and I executed it. Here you can able to see that this is the thing that's stored inside the double quote. That's why I call this thing as a string class. Okay, so what is the type of this data? This data type is string, and this is the thing that we call the type of data, the string and all of those kind of things. Example, we remove here and we put here our value. Example, we put here our value pi. Okay, so now what is a pi? Pi is a float. So here you can able to see the type of data that we got here is a float. That much you can able to understand here that we got here our data and their variables and all of those kind of thing. And if we wanted to get to know that what is the type of data, so we are going to use this print keyword for printing that type, and inside that we are going to put this variable. With this, I am going to teach you one more thing is about the variables. We had earlier study about the variables, but we are going to here study about the what is the info variable. Info variables mean simple that we store this data, okay, name, age, and all of this type of things that act as a container to store the values. But if we wanted to print that table, okay, print that data, so what thing we are going to use here there, that we are going to use this print function. Example, I wanted to print only the name, so I remove this function, and what I got here, I wanted to print only the name. So here if I use this thing, I can able to see here the name Arvind. For example, I give here comma and I enter here age. So I want to print the age and name both the same. So here you can able to see I got my age and my name. This is all about for today.